Dreamy. Taste. Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a teddy bear. Let's get started. We will start by drawing the face of the bear. For that, we will draw a big circle. Now we will draw its eyes, nose, and mouth. It's time to draw its ears. Now we will draw our bear's hands. We will draw a heart in our teddy's hands.
Wow!
Now we will draw the bear's legs and complete our drawing. Coloring time! We will first color the inner ears pink. Now we will color the area around Teddy's mouth yellow. It's time to color the heart in Teddy's hand red. At last, we will color the whole teddy light brown. After the windows, we will color the wall yellow.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.